Ladies and gentlemen, Amtrak is happy to announce our arrival in New York City. The train will be stopping in 5 minutes. Please check to be sure you have your belongings and have a good stay in the Big Apple. Thank you.
Well, here we are. Oh, it's so nice meeting you, Mr. Stewart.
And nice meeting you, too, Mrs. Tobin. Please look us up. We're in the phone book. Dr. Philip Stewart in Riverdale.
Your son.
That's right. I'd have a good time in New York.
And don't be so independent. You're very lucky to have a caring family.
When can we go fishing?
Robbie, we'll go fishing soon. And we'll take your dad with us.
I'm ready, Grandpa. You name the day.
That's a great idea, Grandpa. Philip needs a day off.
Let's give him our presents now.
Good idea.
Presents? For me?
From me and Marilyn. And this one's from me. I looked all over the house to find it.
Richard, these are terrific pictures. This one really brings back memories. You remember that day, Robbie?
I sure do. It was fun.
Oh. I'm sorry Susan isn't here. I miss her very much.
She feels bad, too, Grandpa. She called to say the plane was delayed. Airport.
I can't wait to see her. She looks just like Grandma at that age. I'd better unpack. I started traveling 24 hours ago. Not so young anymore.
Don't you want something to eat?
No, thanks. After a good night's sleep, I'll enjoy breakfast even more.
Well, come on, Dad. Ellen and I'll take you to your room.
I'm sure glad you're here, Grandpa.
Good night, Grandpa.
Pleasant dreams.
Philip, you have the key to the trunk?
I have the key, but it doesn't work.
I sent the wrong key. I have something for you. I made it myself. I think you'll enjoy it. I researched it for over a year. It's our family tree.
Oh, Grandpa. How exciting.
Fabulous. But I didn't know that your grandfather was born in Germany.
Lots of interesting information about our family. A gift from me.
Thank you so much.
Grandpa? Oh, Grandpa! I'm so happy to see you.
Oh, you look so beautiful, Susan. My granddaughter. Like I always said, you look just like Grandma.
I think you're going to be very happy here with us.
I know you will.
I don't feel alone anymore.